Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today we're going to show you how to restore stuff from quarantine in Avast and explain the simplest way to remove Avast antivirus from your Windows computer. This quick guide will help you uninstall it properly without confusion. Step 1. Open Avast antivirus from the desktop. This launches the Avast dashboard where all protection features are managed. Step 2. Click on Protection from the left side menu. This section contains virus scans, shields, and quarantine options. Step 3. Click on Quarantine. This opens the area where Avast stores files that were blocked or isolated for security reasons. Step 4. Find the file you want to restore in the list. You can review the file name and location to make sure it's safe. Step 5. Click the 3 dots next to the file. Then select Restore or Restore and add exception. Choosing Restore returns the file to its original location, while adding an exception prevents it from being quarantined again. Step 6. Confirm the action if prompted. The file will be restored and usable again on your system. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Techie Dialogue for more helpful Avast tutorials.